Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your KYOCERA DuraForce Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on a search pool and type here iOS launcher. Right now we have to get this application from the Lutin developer. It's this one, launcher iOS 13. Tap on it, click install, and right now just wait until it finishes download. Right now we can open it. Click allow 3 times. And then just tap on the home button. And in this window we have to select iOS Launcher 13 and tap on the always. Here we got the notification. Click, we got it, and right now it is loading all of the stuff that we have on the smartphone, so we have to wait a little bit. And as you can see, here it is. So for example, we can edit the home screen icons. We can put it here, camera, and as you can see, that's how this launcher looks on our KYOCERA DuraForce Pro. Right here we can also edit the widgets, and when we add it here we'll have to grant the permission also. So click, go for the permissions, and just accept the phone and the calendar with this switcher. Then just go back, and as you can see right now it is working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!